Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV in Junction City. I want to talk to you about this 2018 Dutchmen Kodiak Cub. It's a 1.7 RD. It's a 1.76 RD, which means it's a very short floor plan. So you have a 17-foot, 6-inch floor plan. A lot of stuff gets packed in here and makes it really nice. So right off the bat, you have a really nice storage, pass-through storage in the front that's also accessible from underneath the bed from the interior. Really nice kind of your magnetic latches there, so you don't have any flanges that have to manipulate during the cold. Really big awning as well that's going to make you have availability to use the outdoor space as well as the indoor space. So let's have a peek at what is inside. Right off the front, we have our east-west bed. You have storage up top, as well as storage, hanging storage on the side as well. You have your plugs right at hand, makes it super easy. You push button LEDs as well. 17-foot floor plan, really bright, a lot of space to move around in here. You have a really big single basin sink right there, and that flush mount countertop adds a lot of counter space too. Your two burner stove and a pantry space as well. Really nice positioning for the television. And in the rear here, there's a lot of decisions to be made when they're designing these things. And if they put the bathroom in the rear, you lose all this set of windows. And it's always nice to be able to see what you took the time to get to. And this makes it really, really nice. So you can actually, when you're backing up into something, you get a chance to dine, or when you're at night playing cards and everything. Really big table and a lot of seating around it too. So it's not just for two people to park and sleep. It can also be for entertaining as well. And this table, it's not pegged in, so it can move inside or outside. It also means you have a little bit of versatility for how much counter space you can access for when you're preparing food as well. You have your big refrigerator, Dometic refrigerator, right there as well. A storage up top, and then this also converts into a bed. So if you have extra sleepers as well, you have a front sleeping and a rear sleeping, and they're actually very large to accommodate quite a bit. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer on the lot, drop on by and say hello. My name is Jake.